Discord Nitro, completely free, no card, no scam, no generator. This is an actual working method in 2026, and I'm going to show you exactly how to claim it in under 2 minutes. And before you ask, yes, this is 100% legitimate. And as you can see, I'm on the quest section of Discord, and all you have to do is watch ads or do these little tasks. And I'm just going to watch this ad, and I probably skipped it right now because it's supposed to be a minute long, but you just press claim reward, and then as you claim it, you can wait for a human. And as you can see, I've got 700 credits right here, and you could do more quests, and there's loads of quests that I haven't done, but just keep on waiting and they get updated. And you can use these orbs, and then you can see that you have 700 orbs right here. You can go on the browse section, but that's for money things. But as you can see right here, 3-day natural credit on the orbs exclusive section. So this is a very, very good method, but I have more methods. The next method is going to be called Microsoft Rewards, and this method is very good. You press welcome to Microsoft Rewards, do all these little quests and stuff. It's not even that hard. You get 500 for this, 10 for this, 15 for this, and you just keep on racking it up. And then you go to the redeem section, and then from the redeem section, all you have to do is press search, then Microsoft gift card, and then just get a little Microsoft gift card, and you can use this for Discord Nitro or even whatever you want. You don't even have to use it on Discord Nitro if you don't want to. And then you can refer friends, and there's basically loads and loads of different methods you can use to get this points. And yeah, and as you can see, Microsoft gift card can be used for Discord Nitro. And for the next method, what you're going to do is you're going to press VPN Turkey. And then when you go to VPN Turkey, it's not going to be the Play Store one, but when you go to Chrome Web Store and you type out VPN Turkey, it's the first one right here. Press add to Chrome, press add extension, and as you can see in the top right hand corner, it is downloading right now. Then you can see it's downloaded fully, and then you're going to pin it, or don't you have to pin it, just press it. And then when you press on it and you press agree, and then you connect it, there you go, we are connected to Turkey VPN. From here, you can go back to Discord, and as you can see, it is £104.99, but this means £104.99 of Turkish lira, which equals £1.77. So this is a lot cheaper. And I know this method technically doesn't mean it's free, but it's very good. The next method is if you have Streamlabs, you can get Discord Nitro for 3 months or 1 month, depending what Streamlabs you have. And there's loads more. It's not just Streamlabs, I got more for you. So if you search up drop.com Discord Nitro, or Xbox Game Pass, or elgato.com Discord Nitro, it depends on what you use. But you can see all the promotions right here on the Discord promotion section. And if none of these work for you and you just want Discord, this is going to be called Vencord. And Vencord is a very, very good thing where you can get fake Nitro, or like it looks basically as good as Nitro. Or the other one is going to be called Better Discord, which is the one right here. You get loads of themes, plugins, and you could basically make it like Discord Nitro with both of these. And yeah, please subscribe.